Max charters. It is 6:50 here. I got Jake right here next to me, his buddy. Alyssa's in the back, and we're gonna see if we can get into some big fish today, guys. Stay tuned. Got it.
On the 210.
We got a fish on. Got Jakey boy with the fish on. How's it feel?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know.
I'm gonna bag you on the starboard side.
He's really reel it.
Oh no. That's right, it's a decent fish. That's fairly good.
Reeling forever.
Tell them where we were.
He's just right ahead of us.
Where is he?
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, it's coming down. It's never a race, you know, with fishing. Oh yeah. Every time playing, pulling hard, you don't pull, and you can't feel him, he should be feeling you. So what's going to happen when the board, the orange thing gets a foot from the tip, I got to take it off. So okay, I can get my fingers on it by backing up as we get that close. Feels pretty good.
There you go. There you go.
What we'll do over here, Adrian. Oh, you're filming or what?
Oh, you're good. We can still go.
That's all right. I'm just saying, when the fish gets close,
Uh-huh.
you should probably try to pull the rod
Try to get
down
to the
off
left.
the side, but just to keep it getting running around there.
Oh, yeah, we
you
can
do
do it.
what you like, and if you want to skip that part, that's all right. We'll do the best we can with it. Hope you get it down.
You just tell me when to do it.
All right. 8-5. All right, I got a line there. There we go.
Is it coming close?
Yeah, I don't know. After I take the board off there, you had 250 feet to go yet. So that's why that's effective, because it's stealth, you know, it's way back and down deep. It's, you could run them the same line right at the boat at the same depth, but it's like you're better off to the side, so you get a sunny calm day like this.
There he comes.
There you go.
So crank this out to the left.
We're good. He'll slide right through here.
Okay.
He's not as big as I thought he was, but that's all right. We're going to invite him to the cookout.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. There you go. Good. Keep an eye on the rest.
Okay, don't sit down now, because I'm gonna have to
Oh, I'm
get
sorry. Yeah, he's not as big as I thought. Yeah. Now that's a little coho.
Little coho. There you go.
Put him in the cooler when you're done.
Okay. See it. There we go, man. Oh yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll bring you back up, reset, and go back down. Get to the fish. He's up on it.
Grab it. Feels like head shakes.
Yeah, it's always like
Oh yeah.
it. Yeah, the one's coming.
Oh yeah. There we go.
We got the one. Okay, let's see if we can get that out of the net before that other fish gets here. You get a little bend in your rod. You can do that by lifting up on
Lift
the
up your
tip a little
breath.
bit.
There you go.
I need the pliers over there.
Grab me that pliers.
Actually, I figured it out. So we're
Yeah.
good. Just watch for hooks that don't poke anybody in the nose. Okay, I'll get him in the cooler. Right now, we'll focus on some of the fish.
Keep your tip up.
Yeah, come a little over to the center. Alright, get back up.
Look at that. I got
Just
it.
talking.
You getting tired? Alright.
Isn't doing anything?
Keep yours. Keep it up.
That one you can stick in a holder. Just hook that spoon on the reel, the rod. Trying to keep him away from this.
To the left. Come over here.
Line's running over here. I'm hoping he can get underneath that.
Yeah, you want me to?
He does it on. Keep that going there. I don't want to. Too high. Lakers love to get their head out of the water and shake their head off the water. We don't want you to lose. All right. In the process of clearing some more lines out, I got to find out what's going on here. But that can be a big lake trout, so if you come down on it too much, it's not going to go down a lot. Get the speed real low. Good.
Oh yeah, those are some head shakes there. Oh, oh that's fighting now.
Slow down the boat even more. The reason for that is you just want to walk a little more resistance. Yeah. Just a hold over on that side a little bit. Thank you.
He's pulling. He's pulling. I hope it is. Oh yeah, he's pulling. Oh yeah, look at him. There he is.
177 down.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Wrapped up easy up.
Oh, what the heck?
Easy on him. Out of gear.
Oh,
Okay, he's straightened out now. I was worried everything was tangled there.
yeah.
It's okay now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that
All
guy.
right,
You
get our
wanted
speed
me to
again.
reel that thing in?
Back in.
Holy smokies.
All right, let's put this right up in the holder.
Woo. Look at that thing. Look at that. We got a nice laker here. Woo. Let's reel it in. 2 fish doubled up. And let me show everybody. We got a Laker, 2 chinook there. Let's see if we can get some more. Alrighty guys, we are back here at home. We just fished all morning. We went on a charter with Blue Max Charters here out of Milwaukee. Very nice couple. They both tried very hard to get us on some fish, which they did. We ended up getting 3, a Laker and 2 Chinooks. Laker was actually pretty decent size, but it was fun. I had a lot of fun, guys. If you ever have time or you're ever looking for somebody to go on a charter with, hit them up, guys. I'll leave the link in the description below for their website. Honestly, probably one of the cheapest ones around here, and very friendly people. But thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Always remember, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Helps me out a lot. Really do appreciate it, guys. So till next time, guys, thank you.